I'm going across to Chhattisgarh because in a disturbing scenario that has happened, returning after a joint operation, an IED exploded the vehicle which were carrying our security personnel fighting against the Naxal extremism. 9 people have been confirmed dead, including 8 Jawans and 1 driver. We are told this was, remember, the DSG, the District Reserve Guard, that was battling. They understand the terrain also well. And these are the latest visuals coming in. The Naxals blew up the vehicle of the security personnel, including the driver, who have now lost their life. What remains of the vehicle on your screen? We are trying to ascertain, and you can see how difficult and forest terrain that it is, and that it was a premeditated attack. The fact that the Maoists knew very clearly that this is going to be the route that the personnel are going to take, and that is how they managed to use this specific IED explosion. But it's also a reminder of how the Maoist violence continues to be a risk with regard to our brave security personnel. Remember, there was a gunfight and a joint operation that had happened in which 4 Maoists were neutralized as well. But as with the details coming in right now from Chhattisgarh, these were the District Reserve Guard, the DRG as we call them. It's a specialized police unit. And this is what remains of it. 9 of those Jawans have lost their life. We'll try and get more details of it. Remember that while the joint operation against the Naxalites emerged successful, but it was while the men were returning. That's when the IED explosion blew up the vehicle. All of them dead on the spot. Fellow Jawans. It appears that the leaders and the ministers are speaking. We'll try and get more details on what exactly happened. But remember, 8 DRG Jawans. All right.
बीजापुर से ये एक नक्सलियों की कायराना हरकत की जानकारी आई है। सभी नौजवानों के प्रति मैं अपनी विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। ये नक्सलियों की कायराना हरकत है। जिस प्रकार से सुरक्षा बल के जवान अंदर घुसकर नक्सल मुक्त करने की दिशा में काम कर रहे हैं, ये हताशा में, निराशा में की गई कार्रवाई है। इन जवानों की शहादत जाया नहीं जाएगी और बहुत जल्दी छत्तीसगढ़, बस्तर नक्सल मुक्त होगा।
कल एक बड़ी सफलता मिली थी सर, 5 नक्सली मारे गए थे और एक बड़ी आज क्षति हुई है।
जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये एक नक्सलियों का कायराना हरकत है। जवानों की शहादत बिल्कुल जाया नहीं जाएगी और सुरक्षा बल के जवान उसी मजबूती से बस्तर को नक्सल मुक्त करने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे।
All right, so that's right now the CM has to say on this. But remember, as Sumi Rajapan is joining me. Sumi, just looking at these visuals, the tough terrain, I mean, it's not even a proper pakka road through which the vehicle was clearly being driven on. Tell us more about Bijapur and 9 Jawans returning from a joint operation. So clearly their movement was tracked. Even though the joint operation was successful, somebody had the information on their return.
Yes, absolutely. Unfortunately, that is the drill that works every time for the Naxals as well. This is the anti-Naxal operation that was a joint operation of nature. And in fact, the DRG, STF, the DRG here stands for District Reserve Guard. The STF stands for Special Task Force. Several teams from 3 to 4 districts were executing this particular operation in Abujmar. Now, Abujmar is a mysterious place. It's a dense forested area where access in itself is a big question. But right right now, since the inception of Bharatiya Janata Party government here in Chhattisgarh, it has quite successful, and in fact, the Naxals have been successfully eliminated, all thanks to the determination of the state government. And in fact, right now, Bijapur, Sukhma, Dantewada, all these three districts have been heavily affected by the Naxal movement. Bijapur being the worst affected, there, this particular road, the Kutru road, which is part of the Tehsil of Bairamgarh area, it is roughly 60 kilometers from the Bairamgarh headquarters. This particular Kutru road, which was not great in condition, as very much like the other roads in these Bastar affected areas, is in Naxal affected areas and Bastar. These roads only speak volumes about the kind of development that has been taken place in Bastar over the years, over the decades of since the inception of Chhattisgarh itself. In the last 25 years, the roads are not in great condition. That again gives an opportunity for the Naxals to plant these IED blasts whenever there is a construction of a road. And this is what exactly has happened. The IED device was planted there during the construction, and this was a perfect moment of retaliation while they were on their way from a heavy vehicle. They were on board on a heavy vehicle. It was apparently an anti-landmine vehicle in which 8 DRG personnel were on board, and in fact, including the driver, the now death toll has gone up to 9. Now that is
a lot more needs to be done on this. Sumi, very important points that you're making about the terrain also. Even though it looked like a foolproof vehicle. As I wrap up, and thank you for your updates, Sumi, just take a look at the visuals. You can see the IED explosion that has happened, that has led to the death of our personnel in the line of duty. But the impact, especially when it's a vehicle that's strong, and you can see how the bodies have flung across, and you can see the remains of the vehicle as well. They were returning from a joint operation. That's when their movement was being tracked, and this happened. A reminder of the sensitive situation on the ground. A lot of it has come down. Naxal extremism has come down over the years, but clearly not enough.